Hi, in today's session, RD with the students, I, Dr. Gayatri Dubey, Regional Director and Global Chief Operating Officer in the EduMall, Gandhinagar, Gujarat, is here with you all, my dear students. In today's session, I am going to tell you about importance of UPSC preparation in the EduMall, thought of the day, important historical dates, word of the day, why the students go to the United States for higher education, and one motivational story with its moral. UPSC preparation at the EduMall holds a central place in empowering learners with disciplined guidance, high quality resources, and expert mentorship. It helps aspirants build strong analytical abilities, develop a deep understanding of governance, and prepare confidently for one of India's most prestigious examinations. The EduMall ensures every learner receives structured, personalized, and holistic support to achieve their IAS, IPS dreams. Let's see the importance. Expert mentor. The EduMall connects aspirants with experienced faculties, subject specialists, and UPSC trained mentors who guide students with proven strategies, doubt clearing support, and personalized direction throughout their preparation. Structured study plans. Aspirants follow a well-organized timetable that breaks the vast UPSC syllabus into manageable parts. This ensures consistency, proper revision, and timely completion of both prelims and mains topics. High-quality resources. Students receive updated notes, current affairs summaries, mock test, previous year question analysis, and well-researched study material that match UPSC standards and improve accuracy. Conceptual clarity. The EduMall focuses on understanding concepts deeply rather than rote learning. This helps students write analytical answers in mains and make smarter choices in prelims MCQs. Exam ready practice. Regular tests, answer writing sessions, and performance evaluation help aspirants develop speed, accuracy, and confidence, making them fully prepared for the actual UPSC exam. Achieving IAS, IPS dreams with confidence by combining expert support, disciplined preparation, and continuous improvement. The EduMall prepares students to compete at the highest level and achieve their civil services goals. Disciplined learning system. The EduMall follows a systematic study plan, regular assessments, and time-bound targets that help students stay consistent, focused, and exam-ready throughout their UPSC journey. Thus, your future starts here in the EduMall. Thought of the day. Your hard work today becomes your success tomorrow. The meaning of this phrase is, the phrase, your hard work today becomes your success tomorrow, is a powerful reminder that consistent effort, discipline, and perseverance are the foundation of future achievements, emphasizing that success isn't accidental but earned through present dedication, building skills, character, resilience for future rewards, much like planting a seed to grow into a tree. So, you have to work hard in whichever class you are, in whichever profession you are, and you will get success. Historical date 8th December, and today is 8th December. Let's see the importance of this date. On 8th December, Bodhi Day is celebrated by Buddhists worldwide to commemorate Gautam Buddha's enlightenment. On 8th December 1986, the South Asian Association for Regional Cooperation, SAARC, was established. On 8th December 1941, Japan attacks the US naval base at Pearl Harbor, Hawaii, a pivotal movement leading to US entering into World War II. And on 8th December 1971, during the Indo-Pak War, approximately 300 rural women from the village of Madhapur in the Kutch district of the Gujarat rebuilt a bombed Indian Air Force airstrip in just 72 hours on the night of December 8, 1971, allowing fighter aircraft to take off and counter Pakistani airstrikes. A war memorial, Virangana Smarak, was later inaugurated to honor their bravery. Let's see the word of the day. And today's word is diligent, meaning showing care, consciousness, and persistent effort in one's work or duties. Hardworking and attentive. Synonyms: hardworking, meticulous, industrious. Antonym: lazy, negligent, careless. Origin: its origin traces back to the Latin deligere, meaning to value highly or to take delight in. Entering English via French in the 14th century, connecting careful work with valuing the task itself. Let's see one sentence with this word. The diligent student completed all assignments with thoroughness and dedication. So, today we have learned one word, diligent, and use this word in your day-to-day conversation. Why students go to the United States for higher education? Let us see the benefits of going there. First is academic excellence and quality. Top universities, home to many globally leading institutions with high rankings. High standards, rigorous quality checks by the QAA, Quality Assurance Agency, ensure top-notch education. Reputation. UK degrees are respected and recognized by the employers worldwide, boosting employability. Research focus. Strong research infrastructure and access to cutting-edge projects. Shorter and flexible courses. Time and cost savings. Undergraduate degrees are often 3 years and masters are 1 year, saving tuition fee and living expenses compared to other countries. Industry oriented. Flexible structured courses designed for the competitive global job market. career and financial benefits. Post-study work. The graduate visa PSW allows international students to stay and work or look for work after graduating. Work while studying. Student visas permit part-time work, that is 20 hours per week. Global prospects. Opens doors to international careers, not just within the UK. Affordable options. Various scholarships and cost-saving aspects are provided by the government of UK. Culture and lifestyle. Multicultural hub. A vibrant, diverse society offering rich cultural experiences and a welcoming environment. Explore Europe. A great base for traveling to other European countries. English language. An ideal place to master English, a vital global language. Healthcare. Access to the National Healthcare Service, NHS. Support and location. Student support. Universities offer extensive support for international students. Easy visa. A generally straightforward visa application process is there which will take you to UK. So the global study abroad, the EduMall, helps the student in their career building and help them to take to their destination, that is UK. We are there to help you out in this mission. Come and join the EduMall. At last, let's see one motivational story. Once there was a cheerful and a kind boy named Ali who found it very hard to study with words and lessons feeling burdensome and difficult to remember. He was often teased by other children and he felt ashamed, to the point where his teacher suggested he might not be suited for learning and should go home. One day, Ali saw a rope leaving deep marks on a hard stone at a village well. A result of the rope being rubbed against the stone and over again. This sparked hope within him. He realized that if a rope could mark a hard stone, he could also make progress with consistent effort. Resolved, Ali returned to the school, diligently waking up early to study with his teacher, asking questions and practicing over and over. He continued to try and learn even when he made mistakes and forgot things. Over months and years, his hard work paid off. He began to understand, moving from words to sentences to short stories, and he surprised his classmates who had once mocked him. Ali transformed from a ridiculed boy into a confident young man who eventually became a successful and respected individual. The moral of the story is, persistent effort and determination can overcome even the most difficult obstacles, as shown by the saying, nothing is impossible with practice. And consistent effort leads to success. Just as the rope wore down the stone, consistent practice and hard work can lead to success and mastery, no matter how difficult the task may appear at the beginning. So remember, www.theedumall.com. Address 229 The EduMall, Suite Solitaire Building, Kudasan, Gatirnagar, Gujarat. The EduMall, discover, learn, succeed, transforming education. Thank you. We'll meet tomorrow at the same time. Till then, bye-bye.